Hello children, we were doing lesson Does It Look the Same? That is lesson number 5 from your book Mathmagic 5. So we have come to the last part. We are going to do the last 2 pages of this chapter today. We have already done how figures look like when we give it half a turn and 1/4 of a turn. Today we will be doing how things look like with 1/3 and last page of this chapter, that is page number 86. And what I have done is I have again taken a photocopy of this page and I have cut out the figures as you can see here. Okay, now I have cut out the figures, all the figures, and I will show you what it look like after 1/3 of the turn. So just read it. Let's read. Look at the following shapes. Find out which of these figures look the same on 1/3 turn. Mark them with tick mark. We have to tick mark which looks the same after 1/3 turn and cross which don't look the same after 1/3 turn. So what I am going to do is I have made a circle with 3 parts and a turn from this point to this point. It will show 1/3 point. So what I am going to do is again the same trick. I am going to put a mark on all the figures at the top and then I am going to turn it. So I am going to put a mark. So now I am going to place one by one these pictures cutouts in the circle and see, give it 1/3 of a turn. अब मैं एक एक पिक्चर उठाऊंगी, इसके अंदर रखूंगी और 1/3 टर्न देके देखूंगी कि वो सेम लगते हैं कि नहीं. अगर सेम लगते हैं तो टिक मार्क, नहीं तो क्रॉस कर देना हमें. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट इज दिस वन. सो आई प्लेस इट हियर. I place it in the center and we give it 1/3 of a turn. We give it 1/3 of a turn. So, do they look the same? Do they look the same? Yes, they look the same. Because this is looking the same, so we put a tick mark here. Okay, now next figure is this one. Okay, so I'm going to give it 1/3 of a turn till here and see if the figure looks same. As you can see that it is not going to look the same because one picture is colored in a different color, so it is not going to look the same. So I'm going to give it a turn. I'm going to give it a turn. See, it is not going to look the same, so I put a cross here. Then the next figure is this one. Again I'm going to turn it and bring it here. So let's see if it looks the same. Now see, compare this figure and this figure. Yes, it looks the same. Next is this one. This will look the same at 1/3. See, does it look the same? This one and this one. Yes, it looks the same. Next is this one. Okay, the triangle here is upside down. So just see if it looks the same. I am going to turn it 1/3. See, the triangle is again upside down. These two look the same, so it is right. And the last one is this. See, I am going to give it 1/3 turn. That is from here I bring it here. So just turn it and see if it is looking the same. Is it looking the same? Yes. So put a tick mark.